Hi guys, welcome back to my channel if you're new. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So in today's video, we are doing a crochet hairstyle. You guys must have seen me doing a bunch of crochet hairstyles since this month. This is January, and I've done a lot of crochet hairstyles already. This is what it looks like straight out of the pack. Each of the bundle has about 80 strands of crochet in it, and it weighs 110 grams. This is 110 grams like this. So two of them will make 220 grams. And I feel like if it's a wig, 220 grams should be enough for a full hair. But I don't know how we're going to work with this. I'm going to see how this works. Okay, we're going to do it together. And it also came with this tiny crochet hook. So we're going to go ahead and start styling this hair. First of all, I am going to think of what I want to do because right now I have no idea. And I'm going to part the hair. And when I am done, I'll just come back and show you guys what I'm working with. Okay. You guys, why editing this video? Mind you, I am editing this video in August and I filmed this video in January. You guys have to forgive me for being a very nonchalant creator this period. I am apologizing. I can explain. I will explain later this month. I will explain. You guys will understand. But can you guys see how my hair was looking? Like, let's compare the length in January. So what you guys have been seeing on my channel recently, is it not massive? Is it not impressive? Is it not a good reason for you to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and follow me for more videos? You guys forgive me, but I was just looking at the video right now and I realized how much growth I have gotten since January, and I am so impressed with myself. Even though I have not been doing too much this past few months, I've been able to retain length, which is very, very good. So let's go back into this crochet. By the time I crocheted like a few strands of this hair, that was when I actually decided to tell myself the truth, because there was no way this was going to be enough for my head. I have a very full hair and I have like big head, if I say so myself. And the strands were a bit thin. So honestly, I just knew it was not going to be enough for my hair, and it's actually 220 grams. I would have needed like 4 packs of this to get a full head. Looking at the fact that I don't like hair that is overly full, for me personally, I feel like extra 2 packs of this would have worked. And you guys, the reason why I refused to post this video since January was because after doing this video and sending it to the brand wanted me to post this video and they didn't want to pay me because this was supposed to be like a paid collaboration. And I just looked at this video. This video has been on my phone for a very long time, and I just realized that this is actually my hard work. Okay, this is my hard work. I took my time to do this video, and it would be a waste for me not to share this video. And that's the reason why I would not be tagging the brand in this video. So, if you guys want me to give you, a brand that you can get this type of crochet from, please let me know in the comment section because I have actually worked with amazing brands that do amazing crochet. Now, mind you, this particular crochet was not bad, okay? The brand just had a very terrible customer relations, and that's the reason why I can't recommend them to you guys, because I don't want you guys buying something from a brand that is not trustworthy. But this hair was actually nice, and I don't mind giving you guys a brand that can actually deliver in case you want something like this. But I ended up finishing this at night. As you can see, it took me like from an evening to the next day to finish this hair. And then I just had to flat iron the front part of my hair. It looked good, honestly. It looked so good. My hair blended with it by the time I flat ironed. And yeah, that was basically it for this video. It was given, and I am going to recreate this hairstyle again, but I will bleach the bundles, and then I'm going to buy extra bundles and then bleach them to match my hair color. Then I'm going to redo this video. You guys look at this hair from the back. Imagine I had like extra two, it was going to eat hands down. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay.